Let's discuss 5 perfect scents I'm currently enjoying for the summer from one of my favorite candle brands, PF Candle Co. Hey, what's up? I'm Rekeema. Welcome to Detailed Dream, where the primary focus is to expose you to the expansive world of luxury goods for yourself and your home. The other day, I was enjoying a candle from PF Candle Co. and thought to myself that I haven't talked about one of my favorite candle brands in quite some time. With having a collection of anything, one of the best perks are options, but PF is a brand that I've been utilizing for years as daily burns. And during very warm weather, the norm is to stick to the more lighter fragrances and candles. Now, I love a good warm, robust scent, but those scents are more so reserved for fall and winter to feel comfortable in cool weather, which will be here very soon with how quickly this year is moving. But lately, I've been making great use of light, refreshing scents with, the citruses, the light florals, the herbaceous notes, the type of scents that pair well with humid weather. I do have some other favorite candles from other brands that I've been burning during the summer season, but with PF, they make some of the best clean daily burns. Most of their scents, not all, are light and subtle, but that's the thing. That's what makes them perfect for daily use, and I will be discussing some of their stronger performing candles in this conversation as well. If you spend some time on the channel, then you know how much this brand means to me. They just had their annual summer sale that I unfortunately missed out on, but let me know if you were able to pick some things up. I'll just have to live vicariously through what you picked up. The other evening, I was burning teak wood and tobacco, and it made me think back to a time long ago when I got my first PF candle, which was teak wood and tobacco, and how this very scent got me hooked on this brand. Maybe I'm a little biased towards it, but this is my number one recommendation for someone who hasn't experienced PF candles before. It's one of the best daily scents in my collection for a summer evening when I want a woody scent but don't want to smell anything too strong. It's also a fan favorite in the PF lineup. I've been through quite a few of these, so I learned to always keep double of it to make sure I always have this scent. Even though teak wood and tobacco is a warm, woody scent, I find myself enjoying its light woodiness anytime during the year. There is some citrus up top on the opening, but it's just a hint. When burning, there is a beautiful blend of tobacco leaf and pepper in the heart, with the base providing more warmth with sandalwood, patchouli, teak, musk, and amber. My personal preference is to also go for the large 12.5 ounce size. The cold and hot throw of teak wood and tobacco is subtle, but with the large size, the hot throw will perform a bit better in a large space. The standard size is fine, I just prefer the longer burn from the large size. Gives the scent more time to linger in the air. It's actually nicknamed the boyfriend scent, I'm guessing because it provides that warm, cozy, masculine feeling. A great pickup for my guys who want that comfortable ambiance for their space. Or if you have a boyfriend that couldn't care less about home fragrance and you want to get them a good all-around, any time of year candle. I would say teak wood and tobacco is a safe scent that most noses will enjoy. My girlfriend loves this scent and she's even more selective than I am, so this is for sure something most people will enjoy. The next scent I want to discuss is called Los Angeles, and as you would assume, is made for sunny, warm weather with overgrown bougainvillea, gorgeous sunsets, canyon hiking, city lights, the characteristics of a sunny day in Los Angeles. I burned this for the first time a few weeks ago and loved every minute of it. Living in LA, it gives my space that LA feeling or mood. It makes me understand the scent on a deeper level with the notes this is comprised of. It made me wonder why it took so long to burn this. Los Angeles is more of an aromatic marine type scent. If you experienced Electric Surf from PF's Soft Focus collection, which has an extreme marine essence, the marine essence in this scent isn't as pronounced as that. I would say that marine quality is more of a supporting characteristic. On the opening, there's the introduction of jasmine, desert air, and lime on the top, but when burning it quickly develops with the heart of sea salt, coastal sage, and yarrow, with the woody base of redwood, beechwood, and musk. These are literally the different scents that you'll come across in Los Angeles at one point or another. At times this comes across as a more sweet marine floral. And other times this comes across as a mossy woody floral. If I could just get that mossy woody floral 100% of the time, that would make this even better. But I find this scent quite interesting with how it develops as it burns. Definitely one of the more unique PF scents that I've been reaching for during very warm afternoons in LA. This scent performs a little better than teak wood and tobacco in my opinion, with a subtle cold throw and moderate hot throw. The standard size of the scent is great for a small to medium sized enclosed space, like a bedroom or medium sized living room. I want to mention something about this candle that I didn't know before. A portion of the proceeds actually go to organizations that drive civic impact, like the Downtown Women's Center, for example. More of a reason why I love the PF brand. It's much more than a candle brand. It's a brand that also focuses on how they can provide to the community and others. If you want to know more about this initiative, I will have it linked in the description. Since I mentioned Electric Surf from the Soft Focus collection, it would be the perfect time to mention Citrus Days from that collection. Electric Surf is still my favorite from that release, but Citrus Days has been giving me exactly what I'm looking for this summer. The scent isn't offered on their site anymore, which is why I have a backup, but I'm still trying to make the scent last as long as possible. I have a full review and breakdown of the Soft Focus collection, but I want to mention Citrus Days again since I've been burning it a lot lately. The candles from this collection are among some of the stronger performers from PF, with Citrus Days being more focused on providing a strong citrusy essence. I am loving the burn from this during the morning hours while I'm getting ready for the day or while I'm working at my desk. This is a strong citrus scent with prominent citrus notes of orange leaf and lemongrass. Once I get past the citrus, I pick up other characteristics with the different greens and florals, like gabonum, lilac, geranium, and peony. This is more of a vibrant, citrusy green scent that will get noticed when walking into a space. The best thing to do, I'll let you know, is to open a window to let in some of that warm morning breeze and pair it with the Citrus Days scent. Like I mentioned, the performance is stronger than your average PF candle. It isn't overwhelming, it still makes for a great daily burn. The performance from the cold and hot throw is going to be moderate. If I'm burning this in a smaller enclosed space, the hot throw will be on the stronger side, like an enclosed bedroom or bathroom. Many of you picked this up when it released, so let me know how you like it. This was one of my favorite PF releases. It isn't on the site anymore, but if you can find it, I highly recommend it for the summer, or if you're just looking for a stronger PF candle. Another release that happened this year and quickly turned into one of my absolute favorite scents from PF is the Wild Herb Tonic scent. I remember going to the release party for this scent and remembering this vibrant aromatic smell that stopped me before going into the store. I'm not even joking, I thought I walked past someone with an amazing fragrance on, but little did I know, it was the smell of the new PF candle coming from the store. I had no idea and it caught me by surprise because I thought I would know what a PF candle smelled like. But this was something totally different, something new, something unexpected from PF. Wild Herb Tonic is exceptionally made with a bright opening of lemon balm, orange rind, and Canadian fir tree, going into the herbaceous mid notes with eucalyptus, crushed thyme, and clove leaf. The base is woody with a touch of floral with fresh lavender, guaiac wood, and patchouli. This is a very aromatic herbal scent with prominent herbaceous notes in each layer of the scent profile. Fir needles on the top, eucalyptus and thyme in the mid, and lavender in the base, but it's much more than just an aromatic herbaceous scent. It has depth to it that I find very enjoyable. I can say I can pick up everything the scent is made of. From the sweet orange rind at the top to the earthy woody patchouli in the base. Such a well done scent in my opinion. This is another scent that I always try to keep doubles of, so I always make sure I have it. The performance is listed as moderate on the PF site, which is true for the cold and hot throw. I would say it's a strong performer if burning in a small to medium enclosed space. I actually layered this scent before with patchouli and sweetgrass in a large open concept, and it was a very pleasant experience. And of course, with more candles burning, there'll be no issues with filling the space with scent. I actually like experimenting with layering different PF scents for something new and for better performance. This scent is great for any time during a hot day. I would probably burn this any time of year, honestly. This next PF scent I've been burning this summer is for when I want my space to smell fresh and clean. Oh Hi Lavender is another aromatic scent with the focus on providing a calming feel, like aromatherapy in a way. Me personally, I'm not the biggest fan of the scent of lavender, but I've honestly been enjoying it in this. It's not an overwhelming smell of lavender. I've been burning it a lot over the past few weeks, so I feel like I should mention it. Of course, the scent profile is what makes this enjoyable for me. Oh Hi Lavender opens with an aromatic citrus and pretty much keep that same vibrant aromatic personality during the entire burn. Up top there's bergamot, orange, and eucalyptus going into the mid notes with rose, lily, and lavender, with the base of mint and red cedar. I mainly pick up the citrus in this along with eucalyptus, lavender, and mint. I don't pick up the other florals as much thanks to lavender being a pretty dominant note. The performance from the cold and hot throw are both moderate, great for a small to medium sized space. It does an alright job in the open concept as well. I mainly like to burn Ojai Lavender in a nice, clean, comfortable space while I'm outlining these conversations or during brainstorming sessions for conversation topics. I feel like this scent has helped me quite a bit with getting my thoughts and ideas on paper. I mentioned Ojai Lavender a few times since it released, and I'm still enjoying it. Great scent for the warmer weather. Let me know what type of scents you all like to burn during the summer. You all have great taste in home fragrances, so I can't wait to see your picks. And if you have any of the PF Canico scents I mentioned in this conversation, let me know how you like them. I may have a new #1 favorite PF scent that you will find out in a future video, so subscribe to stay updated on that. And thank you as always for your continued support of Detailed Dream.